we'll guide you through how to make geometric pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer, move to the top bar menu and find the File option. Then click it to open the drop-down menu. From the list of available options, choose New to create a fresh document for your project. After the new document window appears, select your preferred preset size based on the pattern you want to make. Then confirm the choice by clicking the Create button. When the blank canvas is ready, start drawing a geometrical shape by using the Shape tool from the toolbar. In this tutorial, you will specifically use the Polygon tool to build the main pattern design. To access it, right-click on the Shape tool icon and select the Polygon tool from the hidden menu. Next, move your pointer onto the canvas. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the pointer to create a clean and symmetrical polygon shape. After the hexagon has been created, rotate it into the angle that best matches your planned pattern style. Once the rotation is complete, change your active tool into the Line tool from the toolbar. Use the Line tool to draw a line from a specific angle toward the center of the polygon carefully and accurately. When the line work is finished, select the completed object and group it so all parts stay together. After grouping the object, duplicate it and place the duplicated version in a specific spot beside the original design. Then, select all of the objects again and group them together once more. Reposition the growing pattern and adjust its size according to your desired pattern layout. After that, duplicate the current object again and place the new duplicate in another specific position to create a larger pattern arrangement. Continue repeating the duplication and repositioning process carefully until your full pattern design is complete. As you continue building the arrangement, pay attention to the spacing between every duplicated object so the pattern remains balanced and consistent across the canvas. You can slightly reposition or resize grouped or just single objects whenever necessary to improve the final appearance.